Hey y'all, I want to let you in on a little secret. A lot of you may not think about using body oils or carrier oils as part of your skincare routine. But guess what? They're a very gentle, easy, and cost-effective way to help improve the health of your hair, skin, and even nails. They can even be added to your favorite moisturizers, lotions, or shampoos to boost the moisturizing and nourishing benefits. So I'm going to share with you my 5 favorite organic carrier oils and give you their benefits and best usages and hope to inspire you to give them a try. I really love the organic carrier oils from Now Solutions because you're getting highly tested, high quality oils at a very affordable price point. Plus, they're certified cruelty-free. Organic avocado oil is a natural, nutrient-rich vegetable oil that helps keep skin supple while lubricating the skin and forming a barrier that prevents moisture loss. Organic jojoba oil is one of the most popular cosmetic oils available today. It's extremely versatile and most commonly used to promote softer hair and skin. Marula is a lightweight, fast-absorbing oil that moisturizes and restores a youthful glow while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's rich in fatty acids to provide the ultimate in skin protection. Rosehip oil is derived from the seeds of the wild rose bush, which are rich in omega-3 and omega-6 essential fatty acids. It can be used to aid in skin renewal to replenish a healthy glow and also for antioxidant protection. Organic Tamu is a premium cold-pressed oil from the seeds of the Tamu tree, which is found throughout the South Pacific. Tamu oil is green in color with a distinct nutty smell and has naturally occurring essential fatty acids that promote soft, radiant, hydrated skin.